This dish isn't served during fancy occasions, nor is it offered in any restaurants, but it's a quick and easy recipe that allows you to use up the leftover rice when there's no dal or curry to go with it. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of basmati rice, either leftover from the previous night or cooked fresh and then cooled. 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. 2 dry red chilies, each broken in half. 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. 1 cup of sliced onion. A half teaspoon of hing, also known as Asafoetida. A half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 3/4 teaspoon of salt, or to taste. This recipe has 3 basic steps. First, you'll get your rice, which is either cooked from the previous night or freshly cooked. Then you'll saute the spices. And lastly, you'll mix the rice with the spices and heat it all up. Turn on the stove. Put a wok on the stove. Add oil. Spread the oil in the wok. When the oil is hot, add the dry red chilies. Add mustard seed. And when the mustard seed starts popping, add the sliced onion. Stir. Saute the chopped onion until it turns a golden brown. Add hing. Turmeric powder. Salt. And stir. Add the rice. Break up the lumps of rice. Thoroughly mix the rice with the spices. And if you want, you can cover it for a minute or 2 on low heat. And that's it. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and it serves 2 to 3 people. And make sure you serve it hot.